Have you ever gotten a text from someone and you respond right away, but then they somehow don't respond back for hours? Like, what could you possibly have been doing within those 2 milliseconds of texting me and me texting you back to where you didn't see the message? Is this what you do right after sending the text? And send. Like, I know you're still on your phone when I texted you back, so what's the deal? And I get it, some people don't like to respond right away, and that's fine. Take 5-10 minutes to respond, but not 6 days. I texted my friend last week asking who he thinks is gonna win the Super Bowl, and he just responded to me yesterday saying the Eagles. Like, why are you even answering that question? You watched the game already. If there's one positive thing from this, at least I know who I'm not putting on my emergency contact